In today's video, you'll learn how to create a custom invoice template in Xero step by step. If you want your invoices to look more professional and match your brand identity, customizing your template is one of the best things you can do. It not only improves how your business appears to clients, but also helps you stay organized and consistent. Let's get started. First, log into your Xero account and head to your dashboard. From here, look at the top left corner where your business name is displayed. Click on it to open a drop-down menu. From that menu, select Settings. This section allows you to control and customize different parts of your Xero account. Once you're inside Settings, look for the option called Invoice Settings and click on it. This is where you can manage all your invoice templates and branding themes. Now, you'll see a list of existing templates. If you want to create a brand new one, click on New Branding Theme. This will allow you to build a custom invoice from scratch. Start by giving your template a clear name. This is helpful if you plan to create multiple templates for different purposes, like retail sales, services, or international clients. Next, you can begin customizing the layout. Xero gives you options to adjust how your invoice looks, including the placement of your logo, company details, and contact information. Make sure to upload your business logo if you haven't already. This adds a professional touch and reinforces your brand identity. Then, move on to customizing the invoice fields. You can choose what information appears on the invoice, such as item descriptions, quantities, prices, tax details, and notes. Take your time here and think about what your clients need to see. A clean and clear invoice helps avoid confusion and makes your business look more reliable. You can also adjust the color theme to match your brand colors. Even small visual changes like this can make your invoices stand out. Now, if you don't want to start from scratch, you can edit an existing template instead. Simply find a template you're already using, click on the Options button, and select Edit. This allows you to make changes without rebuilding everything again. It's a faster option if you just want to update a few details like layout, text, or branding. Once you've made all your changes, always remember to click Save. This ensures your template is ready to use whenever you create a new invoice. After saving, you can select this custom template when sending invoices to your customers. This keeps everything consistent and professional across your business communications. A helpful tip is to preview your invoice before using it. This lets you see exactly how it will look to your clients and make any final adjustments if needed. Also, consider creating different templates for different types of customers or services. This gives you more flexibility and keeps your workflow efficient. And that's how you create a custom invoice template in Xero. It's a simple process that can make a big difference in how your business presents itself. If you found this helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more practical tutorials. Thanks for watching.